As y'all can tell, I'm doing something different. Nails not done, hair not done, lashes not done. I'm just not done right now. So I'm gonna do me. In this video in particular, the doing that I'm gonna be doing. No, I'm just kidding. So first things first, I always do my hair before I do my nails because I don't think that's logical to do your nails before you do your hair.
Oh, who are you?
So for my hairstyle today, I'll be doing something with a wig. No, for real. I'm gonna be using this glueless wig. I ordered this glueless wig like months and months ago. I wore it a couple times. I kind of cut layers into it and everything, but I didn't pluck it or anything. So that's what I'm gonna be doing today. I'm gonna be plucking it, making it look a little more realistic because I actually might glue it down because the weather is starting to cool down a little bit more, and I'm a plus size girly, so I sweat and I get hot and I get frustrated. Okay, so since the weather's cooling down, it's about that season, it's about that time, it's about silk press. And I did just take out my braids like literally 2 hours ago, and I just got done washing my hair, so that's why they're in these braids. But while these braids are drying and my hair is drying, I am going to be customizing this wig. So come on, y'all, let's go ahead and get into it. Don't mind my faces, y'all. Yes, leave me alone. Ugh. My braids is boneless, okay, but they're cute. Like, don't ever in your life try me. Like, are you serious? Okay, y'all, my bad. Before we get into the doing, I just want y'all to see the wig before. So this is the wig, okay, and let me put it on for y'all real quick. As y'all can see, the lace is very much there, but it doesn't look too, you know, too bad. I have not plucked this wig at all. I don't think I did. It looked kind of like I did, though. I ain't gonna lie. I probably did pluck this wig. So maybe, you know, maybe, I don't know. But I am going to pluck it some more just so it can be more realistic. I'm going to define the part. Oh my goodness, it's a ball. Girl, did I throw a bald spot in here? Oh my goodness. So this is how long the wig is. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna pluck it, and then I think I'm gonna wash it, and then after I wash it and stuff, I'm gonna style it and kind of, you know, do what I need to do. But this is a kinky straight unit, or yaki straight, I think, one of the two, and it's a glueless wig. So okay, y'all, so looking at this wig, I definitely did a little bit of plucking. Okay, so I'm gonna make sure this looks right. This right here don't look too bad either, but I want to make sure this part in the middle is straight. So I'm gonna go ahead and pluck it.
A few moments later.
Hold on. Yeah, I think I overplucked my part. But it's okay. We can fix it. It's nothing, you know. Okay, so everything is plucked, but it's okay. It's okay. It's nothing that, you know, a little bit of makeup cannot fix.
Right.
So now the next step is I'm going to go ahead and cut the wig down a little bit, and then I'm going to wash it, and then I'm gonna put it on. Amen. Okay, y'all, little mama is she's drying. Okay, so while she's drying, I'm gonna go ahead and braid my hair back so that I am ready to throw her onto my head. Yes indeed. I'm gonna go ahead and do like 4 braids on each side. Inside this place is warm, outside is ice poor, coming down. Okay, so I've been jamming for 21 minutes braiding this side of my head. So I have an iPhone and I don't want to run out of storage. So we have this. Give it up for the girl, okay? And now, I'm still gonna be looking like Megamind.
You're fun.
Oh, but Megamind is not ugly, so don't do too much on him. Okay, and I'm not ugly either, so don't do too much on me. Thank you. So yeah, but anywho, I'm gonna finish this. Look at that, it's juicy. I'm gonna do this to this side, and yeah. Okay, so I feel like this hairstyle will kind of eat down if I had some extensive hair into this and the buns were bigger. I feel like it would match my potato head, but we're not doing this hairstyle. Braids are done. I'm gonna pull these back once the wig is dry. I'm gonna clean up my area. Y'all want to see how much hair I trimmed? I didn't really trim it. I cut my hair, but it's dead. So I mean, it's time to go. It was time to go. So oh well. But I don't wanna play your games no more. You know time is that ass. Yeah, you got it, baby. That's like my girl too. Hey you guys. I'm back. And today I don't have that much energy as I did yesterday. So please bear with me, y'all. So it's a whole new day. Yeah. No, I don't think this is gonna work. I don't think this is gonna work. So I'm really scared to glue it down, y'all. I'm not gonna lie. Like, I feel a little nervousness. Should I try it though? Just to knock it out the park, just to see how that goes. Might as well. I might as well. Scared. God, should I do it? Will it come out cute? Wow. 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 Oh. Yeah, I'm so sorry. Oh, I don't know, Glenn. Man. Okay, y'all, so this is the last layer, and I'm gonna make sure it's nice and precise. But as y'all can see, the wig is still wigging. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take some mousse, some lace tint mousse, and dapping it onto the lace, as y'all can see here. Definitely need some over here. And okay. Right. Oh. Okay. Yeah, what's up, y'all? It's been a minute since I've been here without my hair done, right? So a couple days, probably last week, I think it was last week, guys, I was planning to do a wig, right? I did the wig came out okay. You know, it came out okay. It was a glueless wig, but I glued it down. Now I'm gonna do a side part with my Synthetica. Synthetic laces are chef's kiss. You know what I'm saying? It's just the hair that you have to be able to manage, and that sometimes is irritating for me personally. But I just finished washing this nice Synthetica wig, and then I'm going to put it on my head, and I'll be right back. Okay, y'all, so this is the wig on my head. I kind of flat ironed it a little bit, but as y'all can see, she's very Synthetica. So hold on, as y'all can see, this is a very HD kind of, I feel like this lace is good. I feel like every lace that I have gotten with the synthetic hair on it, I feel like the laces are just, they eat every time. What I'm going to do really quick, I'm going to take some color and throw some color up on this lace. I definitely want to eat down the side part, like so freaking bad. So I'm just making sure the wig is on even. for both ears. Because if y'all know me, I like to do the side part with the behind the ear. That look just eats down. I feel like it just fits my head more. I have a long head. I'm scared. I don't know. I'm not gonna say I'm scared, but imagine if I got skinny, like to the point where my face was like, No, seriously. Imagine, like, I don't know what I would do. Okay. So I don't like when the hair is flat. This gives, and the night will be. I'm going for something that's like cutesy, you know what I'm saying? I'm gonna go ahead and start the gluing process and go from there. Oh yeah, it's looking good already. Oh yeah. I'm making sure that I treat it right. You know what I'm saying? I don't know where I got that from, but I love seeing it. Okay, I'm putting on the band. I'm going to let this band sit for some time while I do some things around my room. Okay, period. All right, so I'm gonna hot comb this. Oof, that's hot. Okay, I'm back, y'all. So I think it's been about a good 45 minutes. Oh my child, this looks good. You know, I don't know, that's just not my kind of with the hot comb. Okay, being very careful. Oh, I think everything looks good except for the part. Making sure. Because they're really long. What it gives. Yeah, I'm gonna get these baby hairs together and then I'm gonna come right back. Okay guys, so I think this is the best I'm gonna get it for now. Okay. Alright, so here's the hairstyle, y'all. And then this is the lace. What is this? Y'all can see that. Okay y'all, so this is the end of the video. I do thank y'all for watching. Tomorrow I might add a clip of me with my makeup done or something, but as of right now, this is it and this is all. I do appreciate everybody that was watching. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and stay tuned for the new videos coming up. Love y'all. Stay blessed. Bye.
Hey, by the way, thanks for watching. See you later.